It's been a quiet and cold day across the area, but as we go throughout the overnight, good news is the winds will settle. It's been a breezy day. We have high pressure building in, so that's the one change. It will stay pretty cold. Nice sunset. Here's a view in Knoxville looking west. Pretty quiet conditions are being seen right now. Still a slight breeze, making it feel around 5 to maybe even 10 degrees colder. North-northeast wind around 9 miles per hour. Knoxville 37 degrees, a little bit colder than at this time yesterday evening. We can see some areas are below freezing in our northern counties across the Kentucky-Tennessee border. The high terrain areas of the Smokies still quite gusty and a little bit milder to our south. Tellico Plains at 44. The winds have not quite died down, especially in the higher terrain areas of the Smokies. The winds are still quite gusty. You saw Mount LeConte up to 40 miles per hour, so could be a few power issues. Driving will be a bit difficult just for the higher terrain areas of those Smokies. Everybody else, just that slight northwest breeze. Tonight, the winds will settle, allowing for a big cool down. Temperatures tomorrow morning lower to mid 20s, so bundle up, with some areas even being in the teens heading out that door tomorrow morning. Good news is, as we go throughout the day, the warming trend will continue. Here is 6 predictors showing increasing cloud cover tonight. So if it wasn't for those clouds, it would be even colder. Heading into early Sunday morning, we can't rule out the potential for some light snow, mainly in our far northeastern counties across southwest Virginia, southeast Kentucky. Could see a little bit of light snow, maybe a dusting to at most 1 inch, but most of us look to be staying dry. I think Sunday, pretty low impact day as we are back in the 40s. But the cloud cover will make it feel a little bit cooler. Tomorrow looks to be partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures up in the middle 40s, so still below normal for this time of year. If you want the warmer weather, you have to wait till Monday, because we are expecting the next weather maker say goodbye to that frigid air. We have a high pressure ridge building in, milder air moving across the central plains, moving into our area. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures look to be above normal, even in the 60s for some. Check out the pick of the week, Monday. The winds will be light, full sunshine. Temperatures look to be in the upper 50s, low 60s. Monday is going to be a real nice day. Tuesday, even warmer, mid 60s. I wouldn't be surprised if we even saw a few 70s across our southern counties south of I-40. This, though, is all ahead of a cold front that will bring us chances for rain. I did increase those chances for rain for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Beyond that, things get a bit fuzzy. A lot of uncertainties, but I think there will be some more chances for rain late next week. And we actually do need that rain, because the drought monitor, here is the latest one. We have a good chunk of the area south of I-40 in that severe drought. So pretty much the whole forecast area does use that rain, and that's what we are expecting as we enter next week. With that warming trend, Monday, again, pick of the week. It will be cold first thing in the morning, but back up to near 60. It's going to be a real nice day. Beyond that, cooling down a little bit. Thursday, still can't quite rule out chances for rain, but I think Thursday is mainly dry and then pretty seasonable for next weekend. And I think there will be some chances for rain, but good news is I think temperatures